how to make one of the world's best paper airplanes. Alright. Crap. Okay, let's remove that. Alright. So first, you fold it in half. Just like that. Second, and there's this pipe in the way. Then, stupid vacuum. Then, what's up, Dad?
What's up, dude?
I'm making a YouTube video. Get out of my swamp.
Yeah, I have to look for something.
Ah, crud. Don't say I messed up on the last piece of paper. Oh my gosh. That would have scared me. Well, I think I did mess up. Or I just am not folding it correctly. Yeah, I think I didn't mess up. It's just that fold right there was wrong. Holy gosh. Yes, I am gonna mess up. Then you just fold that. Whoa. Okay, yeah. I'm messing up, and that ain't good. I'm kind of messing up. Oh no, I didn't mess up. Alright, and there's your paper airplane. Alright. Let's go check out flies. I don't want to do another video on the aftermath. Okay, yay.
Nobody beats Jesse because he has a game fly.
It went from here all the